All right, here's a video of our crew moving a refrigerator from one house to another. That was the beginning where we took it out of the house. Now this is the old refrigerator the customer had. Right now we're looking at it to see how we're gonna get it out of the house. So here we go, first attempt, we're looking at it.
Yeah, let's pull the, we'll just pull the bottom, let's go to the top handle, though. No, go back, let's see the top handle. I know the bottom. No, bring it, I hope the other one fits in the top.
So the old fridge ended up being too wide to get out the door, so we ended up having to take the handles off to get it out, so we just loosened them up, took them off to get them out of the door. Cleaning the area, getting ready for the new fridge. This one came from another house, sort of like a relocation. The client wanted their old fridge in the garage, so that one went out to the garage. This one came in. This one has a see-through glass on the front. It's an LG. Pretty new. Yeah, and our customer's really happy with it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.
Yep, got him. It's probably good.
No, he did.
The bigger I